Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have a square divided by 36 is equals to 36 divided by a square, and we solve this problem for all the values of 36. So further in the next step, here first we need to write this into the standard form. For this we will cross multiply the terms, and we have, when we multiply a square with this a square, it will be written as a square multiplied by a square equals to 36 multiplied by 36. Further in the next step we have, this is a square times a square becomes a to the power of 4 equals to, here 36 multiplied by 36 becomes 36 square. So now we move 36 square from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will be written as a to the power of 4 minus 36 square equals to 0. So here we rewrite this equation as, we write a to the power of 4 as a square and its whole square minus this is 36 and its whole square is equals to 0. So here we apply the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have x square minus y square is equals to x minus y times of x plus y. You see here the base of this term is our x and the base of this term is our y. So further we have, we just substitute the values of x and y into the right hand side of this formula, and after using these values here, it will becomes a square minus 36 times of a square plus 36, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write a square minus 36 equals to 0, and the second case is we write a square plus 36 is equals to 0. So we call this is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. So in the next steps we need to solve both of these two equations for the values of a. And now here first our equation number 1 is implies that we rewrite this equation as, this is a square minus 36, and we write 36 as 6 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we again apply this nice formula. So according to the above formula, we write this equation as in this form. This will be written as a minus 6 times of a plus 6, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write a minus 6 equals to 0, and the second case is we write a plus 6 is equals to 0. From here we easily get the value of a is equals to, this is minus 6, when we move it into the right hand side it will becomes plus 6, and from here we have a is equals to, this is plus 6, when we move it into the right hand side it will becomes minus 6. From first equation we obtain, and there are two roots of the given equation, and these two roots are plus minus 6. Okay, so these are the two roots which we get here from equation number 1, and now here we need to focus on equation number 2. So that first equation number 2 is copied down here. Equation number 2 is a square plus 36 is equals to 0. So here in this equation we move 36 to the right hand side, and it will be written as a square equals to minus 36. And now here for the values of a, we use the square root to find the values of a, so that we will take square root on both of the sides in this way. And now again you see here these 2 and square root are gone, and we get here a is equals to, here you know that the square root of 36 becomes 6, and we know that the square root of minus 1 becomes iota. Further you see here, when we apply square root on both of the sides, we will be write here plus minus sign on any one of the side. These are the other two complex roots of the given equation which we get here from second equation. So finally we obtain there are four roots of the given equation, and now in the next steps we need to verify that is these roots be the solution or is these roots be the extraneous root. So for verification of these roots we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is a square divided by 36 equals to 36 divided by a square. And in this side we will be verify a equals to plus minus 6, and in this side we will be verify a is equals to plus minus 6 iota. So here we need to verify all these four roots. And now here in the next step we substitute this value of a on both of the sides and we check its behavior. When we put it into the left hand side, it will becomes plus minus 6 square divided by 36 is equals to 36 divided by plus minus 6 square. So here we need more simplifications, and it will be written as, you know that when we apply square on positive or negative term, it will always get the answer is positive. So this plus minus becomes plus and 6 square becomes 36 divided by 36 is equals to, similarly in that case we have 36 divided by 36. So this and this are gone and we get here 1 is equals to, this and this are also gone and we again get here 1. This shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that the value of a equals to plus minus 6 satisfied our given question statement. And now here in the same pattern we verify the second root. So we substitute these values on here and it will becomes plus minus 6 iota and its whole square divided by 36 is equals to 36 divided by plus minus 6 iota and its whole square. And now in the next step here we need more simplification. Again you see here this is plus minus square becomes plus, 6 square becomes 36, iota square becomes iota square divided by 36 is equals to, in the same pattern we obtain 36 divided by 36 times of iota square. And now again we have this 36 and this 36 are gone and we get iota square becomes minus 1. This 36 and this 36 are also gone and we get here iota square, and iota square is also equals to minus 1. So 1 divided by minus 1 equals to minus 1. This shows that again both of the sides are equal. So we finally concludes about that all the four roots are satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have the solution set of this problem is plus minus 6 and plus minus 6 iota. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.